Meaning of Henry Raeburn.
Henry Raeburn.
Henry Raeburn.
Henry Raeburn.
Henry Raeburn. Henry Raeburn was a Scottish portrait painter of the late 18th and early 19th centuries. He was born in 1756 and died in 1823. Raeburn's work is characterized by a naturalistic style and a focus on capturing the character and personality of his subjects. He was particularly skilled at depicting the landed gentry and aristocracy of his time, and his portraits convey a sense of their wealth and status. Raeburn is considered one of the most important Scottish artists of his era, and his work is highly sought after by collectors today.